Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Trello boards and cards to Notion. So if you want to move your boards and cards from Trello to Notion, let me show you. Head over to your settings right here, and you need to click on Import. Right here under Import, you're going to see Trello. Move over your boards and cards, just click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to open this pop-up menu. So as you can see, it'll ask, would you like to give the following application access? So just make sure you've logged into your account and you need to allow the permission. Now, once you allow the permission, wait for a few seconds and it's going to start moving. Very easy and straightforward. So just search for the board that you want to import. You can just select the boards that you want to import and now click on Import. So I'm going to import only this one. So let's uncheck this one. I don't want to import this one. So now let's click on Import. It's going to take a few seconds to load and we'll import your boards from Trello. Very easy and straightforward. Let's wait. Still loading, and you need to enter your username. So I don't want to save the password, but as you can see, this is it. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe. So this is it right here.